What's up, y'all? This your girl Goldmouth coming at you guys to show you guys how I'm gonna attempt to make some spaghetti and angel hair pasta, spaghetti and meatballs. But I'm using angel hair pasta. Okay, I don't think I ever did angel hair pasta. If I did, it was so long ago that I don't even remember, y'all. So I got this bag of turkey meatballs. I have never done spaghetti with these kind of meatballs or anything. I usually just use the ground meat and I stir it all together. But when I went to Tallahassee recently, Poopy had made it and it was delicious. So I want to do mine like that and see if I can make mine just as good, child. And I got the Prego traditional sauce. And we're going to see about these angel hairs because I don't know if they're too thin to make spaghetti and meatballs with, but I don't know. But anyways, this says put the pasta in the pan and then put the meatballs in the pasta and let it cook for 25 minutes. I don't know about that, y'all. I'm going to do my meat first in case any juices come out there that I don't want or water or whatever. I don't know, child. We finna get it together, okay? Let me get my... I already had turned the pan on. That's why y'all probably seen a little bit of smoke. I don't want to be done burnt nothing up, child. So let me go ahead and put my meatballs in there. Let me get y'all down in here. Okay. I'm just gonna use all the meatballs, child. I probably should have bought 2 bags. And they just froze little meatballs. And they look like that. So they say they fully cooked. So I ain't got much to do as far as those are concerned. So I'm gonna let those cook down a little bit while I get my pasta started. Okay, y'all, these meatballs kind of dry. So I guess I'm gonna do what the bag say, cause I was thinking it was gonna be like a greasy meatball, but they don't look like they're gonna be. So I'm gonna just do what the bag say and put them in the pan and put my sauce in there and let it simmer for 25 minutes, okay? The whole jar, and this is the biggest jar of sauce. I think it's the biggest jar they sell, but at Walmart, this is 4 pounds. Wow, okay, so that will be 67 ounces. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to do what the bag says and let it go for 25 minutes. Or longer, or whatever. Trust me, y'all, I'm going to put my water, add my water to this, shake it up. Because all that stuff got to come out today, baby. All of that got to come. So, get it all, baby. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook or simmer or cook, whatever, for 25 minutes or more, whatever. I'm just put it on. Start it off on high, and then when it come, start, doing this thing, I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer, okay? And I am going to stir it, y'all, just in case y'all was wondering. I'm going to stir it, and so I can get all in there good. Okay. I'm gonna just let that do what it do for a few minutes. I don't know if I was supposed to have these things thawed or frozen, but I guess they'll thaw out. 30 minutes is a good little minute, so I'm gonna set it and forget it. Not really, but Okay, now on to this pasta. I need to see how to do this because I don't even much know. It says stove top, bring to the boil 4 to 5 minutes. Ooh, so maybe I'll just wait on this. If this take that little short time to cook, I'm gonna wait on that. I'm gonna let this do its thing, and I'm gonna wait on the pasta. So I'm gonna add a little bit more parsley to this, just for the sake of adding it to it, y'all. Cause I feel like I need to put some in there. That's what I usually do when I have my spaghetti anyway, and I always put garlic in my pasta. Dog it, I forgot the Parmesan cheese for them, not for me. So put me a little garlic in there. And we're going to stir that in. Okay, I'm going to put the top on this and let it go for what it, know. Okay, all right. Here it goes. I would just pop me Okay, there is the meatballs. They cooking. They probably got about 15 more minutes to go. And I haven't started the pasta yet, but I'm gonna. Just giving y'all a little peek in. Okay, y'all. I'm going to check on this. I had left the house real quick. I went to get some garlic toast, Texas toast. Real quick, I had forgot Parmesan cheese when I was at the store, and I wanted to get some garlic toast. So they had 16 slices for $3. Okay, so I'm gonna put those in the oven, and we're gonna start on this pasta because it say only take 3-4 minutes. So usually it take longer than that with other pasta, but I guess I'll taste it and see how long it take. So I got my water for my pasta in here. I'm gonna bring that to a boil. When it starts boiling real good, then I'm gonna add my pasta. I'm gonna add some salt in it. You always add salt unless you got problems with salt. Then don't add you no salt. That's just in there. You know I'm gonna pour that water off anyway. So once that starts boiling, I'm gonna drop it in there. So I got the Great Value Angel Hair Pasta, and it says bring it to a rolling boil. So y'all see it's rolling. That's what a rolling boil look like when the water rolling. Try how you take these at. Okay. I guess you don't. Okay, y'all. Put them all in there like that. My mama used to do them like that. I used to see her do that when I was little. Okay. Okay. All right, these ain't gonna take that long to cook because they so thin, man. They so thin. So hopefully got them good in there. They say 4 to 5 minutes. Oh my God, they're so strange. Okay. Why does it look like ramen noodles, y'all? Why? Just why? It's angel hair pasta. And it is done. So that was real quick. It was like 6 minutes. The box say 4 to 5 minutes. I say CPT 6 minutes. 6 to 7 minutes. And you good. Unless you like yours al dente, okay? They not soggy, they not hard, they just right. Okay, got the pasta ready. I already drained it. All I did to drain it was put the lid on it and, you know, crack the lid a little bit and held it very carefully. Don't try that at home. Get you a strainer. I got one, but I was too lazy to get it. And over here I got the meatballs. They look good. And over here in the air fryer, I throw it in there. They was already done. I got some Texas toast, you see. I was gonna do them in the oven, but the oven would have took too long, so I throw them in the air fryer. I didn't throw them in there like this, y'all. I did 4, and then I did 2, and then at the end, like once they all got done, I just warmed them back up. So, cause I'm finna fix the plates, so they good and warm now. I'm finna fix these plates, and then we gonna have us a meal, okay? Hey y'all, so here is the pasta. Woo! Gonna fix these plates. Let's see how this gonna work. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna just fix this one plate on camera for y'all, and then I'll fix the rest off camera. Meatballs, piping hot. These are turkey meatballs, by the way. This is my first time ever doing like this, y'all. Look good, though. I don't know how many meatballs you're supposed to get, but okay. Or do we count the meatballs? I'll be right back. Oh, let me get this breadstick. Breadstick out of there. Oh, they good and hot, too. And there we have it, y'all. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of, you know, a little bit of parsley flake on it to make it look like, bam, she was in the kitchen, cooking. Okay. Period. Anyways, y'all, let me get to these other plates and I'm gonna end this video. Okay, I got the plates all ready to go. Look at that. That joker look good. And it wasn't even that long to cook. You know, it wasn't even hard. Anybody can cook this. Okay, y'all, that is it. Let me get these. Let me see. Hey, Scooby, you want to do a taste test? Huh? Okay, I'll do the taste test. Oh my God, I don't even think I can fit a whole meatball. I can't fit a whole meatball. Okay, let me chop it. Okay, I got half of the meatball on there, y'all. I don't know if I can chew it with these braces. We sure finna see today, baby. Okay. Y'all, so good. So good. Oh my God, and I can eat it. Yeah, I'm finna grill it. I'm gonna talk to y'all in the next video. Y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Holler at y'all later. Bye. Yes, sir. Dinner is served.